Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change currency on Qatar Airways. I'll leave the direct link to its application or website down below in the description, so go and check it. Now, once you use the link down below in the description, it will redirect you to this page. Now, you should search for any place that you want to go. Let's say that I want to go to Shanghai, for example. I'll just click on book now after hovering over the city. Then here it will show you the price of the trip with dollars. Now, when you go and click on this option right here, it will show you all other currencies that you can actually use. And let's say that I want to check this trip price in euros. I'll click on apply. Then here, as you can see, you will find it in euros. And keep in mind that this is only applied for some trips. Not all trips you can find it in all currencies. So, and sometimes you may find it in limited currencies. So this one, for example, doesn't contain the Egyptian pound, but this is just for the demonstration. And it will show you how much can you get this trip by using the Avios or the Qatar Airways. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe, hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.